Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Wise Money Transfer step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First of all, you can use the link in the description below so that you can easily create your free Wise account. So here we are on our Wise app, and from here what we're gonna do is that we're gonna tap on register, or you could also connect via Google if you'd want to create your Wise account, or log in if you already have an account. So click or tap on register. And from here, provide your email. So in my case, I'll be providing mine right here and tap on continue. And then after that, you want to choose what kind of account you'd like to open in Wise. In my case, I'll just go for my personal account. And then from here, select the region or country that you are currently in or where you spend most of your time living. So in my case, it's Philippines. So remember that this would be crucial later on. So click or tap on continue. After that, so from here, this is where you can see on what you can do depending on the country that you have chosen, because not every country has the same features as any other country. So for example, here in the Philippines, these are the things that I can do, and these are the things that I can do right here in at the bottom. So it would depend on the country or region that you are currently in. So tap on continue. So once you've understand that, and just provide your phone number from here right there. I have already provided that, and then from here you want to tap on send code. And then now, as you can see right here, Wise would not let me record my screen in the registration process, but don't worry, the process is very simple after this. So it would just be you'd need to enter the code that was sent to your mobile phone number that you have provided, and just give it to Wise. And after that, they would require a proof of address, and just input your address. It's all just personal information. All right, so now once you have done those process in registration, you have provided everything, you should now be able to log in into your dashboard in Wise. And from here, what you can do first is add a currency. So you can find this button right here, the plus button. So tap on that. And from here, you can select what kind of currency. You can go for balance or jar. So in balance, this is where you can spend, receive, and send money. And in jar is where you save money and you can use it whenever you need it. So in my case, I'll just go for balance, for example. And from here, select the currency that I want to add. So I'll just go for Chinese yuan. So I'm just going to tap on that. And then from here, I can see my CNY balance here, and tap on get account details so that you can get the detail on your currency so that you can receive money from it. And from here, tap on continue. And then as you can see right here, to get your account details, you would need to deposit at least 700 PHP in my case, since it is in Philippine currency. So if you convert that into US dollars, that would be around $15. So you'd need to deposit around 15 USD to get your account details right here. But don't worry, that 15 USD is usable later on. It's just for verification processes. That is why you would need to deposit at least that certain amount. And then as you can see right here, I have currently verified my identity already. So in this process, if you don't have that yet, then you would need to provide your government ID, your proof of address, and so on, other personal information that Wise might need from you. So just provide that, and then once you're done, you want to tap now on make a deposit, and this is where you can now deposit your money to that currency to get your currency verified. From here, we're going to tap a payment method. So tap payment method and add a debit or credit card right here. So depending on however you want to pay it. So in my case, I'll just go for credit card, and you can see the fees right here and the total amount that you will be paying. So now tap on continue once you're done. And then from here, it would ask us about the payment right here on the details of our card. So all we have to do is basically just provide our card details, and then you can also tap on the scan card if you'd like to scan your card right here so that you don't have to manually input the details. So you can also do that. And after that you have provided your payment details, you can now tap on the pay button, and then the payment will now be processed, and it should not last for 5 minutes. All you have to do is wait for less than 5 minutes, and it should now be reflected on your balance right here. And you should now have your currency verified right here. So now you can tap on the get account details again, and now you should be seeing the account details here now. In my case, I don't have that because I haven't deposited yet. So the next thing now is you can tap on the send button, and then from here you can send into anyone right here as long as you have the details, and then you can send here. You can choose the currency that you want to send right here, the amount, and then the recipient gets right here, and their fees, you can see it, everything right here. So you want to tap on continue, and then from here you can input the recipient that you have on who you will be selling this amount. So you can also tap on add a recipient, and then you can use their Wise tag, email, or phone number to send this to their account in Wise. Or if it is not a Wise to Wise transaction, then you can enter the bank details right here, and then you can go for a business, organization, someone else, or yourself right here if you'd like to transfer your money to other external platforms. So this is how you can do it here in the send money. So you just have to complete this process, and all of that's left right there is personal details. The next thing is you can add money, you can deposit here. So if you already have your bank account connected to your Wise account, then you should be able to pay for it here in the payment method. But since I don't have one, all I have is a debit card or credit card. So you can choose either one of this right here, and I can tap on continue. And then from here, same goes, the same process that we have earlier. So I don't need to show you that. So it's basically the same process in verifying and then adding money here. And you can also request money from someone else, so you can get your own account details to receive money from friends and family abroad. So you can also tap on start, and then you can go for the account or the currency that you would like to request on. And yeah, that is basically how you can use Wise in money transfer step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.